Hello friends, welcome to Free Grammar Lessons. I am feeling really happy and humble right now. You know why? With the help of your love and affection, there are 10,000 incredible people like you who have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Wow! Thank you so much to those of you who have checked out this channel and subscribed. At the time of recording this video, we have around 45 plus useful grammar lessons, 12,000 plus likes, 1,000 plus comments, and 9,000 people have shared our videos. If you have missed any of them or need a revision, please check them out. I will provide the links of playlist in the description. Our motive here is to provide quality videos free of cost, so that it can reach to all people who are in need of it. If you are finding them helpful, please share it with others. If you are in need of any grammar topic, message me in the comment section. If you like our family, please hit the like button. And if you are watching this video first time, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so you won't miss any of the updates. Once again, thanks a lot for your support and motivation. And special thanks to my sister Chavi Shah and brother-in-law Krishnakant Shah for your support and guidance.